Hey, what's up, guys? So this happened when I was going to Puyallup High School. This was in 11th grade, and it was at the senior homecoming football game. And I was a wild Billy Goat, man. I got all my friends were telling me, dude, you got to streak at the stadium. You got to streak at the stadium. And so me and my buddy Marcel, we walked to the homecoming football game. I was wearing like a huge black jacket, and we entered right here, and we went right up to this. These are the stands, and let me see if I can show you where I was. So we got in, and I was like about right. We were sitting about right here, and we were waiting for a good time to go. Everybody in the crowd was like, "Nick, you got to do this. You got to do this, Nick. Come on." So I got down here, and let me see. So I walked right down here, and there's like an open gate right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there was the security officer. His name was Mr. Pitts. He was the security at the Puyallup High School too. But he was waiting, or he was standing around right here, and I bolted out, and I went boom right here, and I took off my shirt, and I started waving at everybody, and then I kept going, and I kept going, and I kept going. And then right when I got here, the crowd was going fucking bananas, dude. And then I was dangling around right here, and then all of a sudden I saw I started walking like right here, right here, right here, and then I looked behind me, and then there was a guy that fucking he bolted out from like right here or so, and he was hunting me down, dude. He was about to tackle my ass. And I looked behind me, and I was like right here, and then I just like fell to the floor, and then he almost flew over me because he was about to tackle me, and I just like fell down. And then when I got up, Mr. Pitts came towards me out here, but then they took me back into the office, and the office is about like right here. And I got chewed out by the security officer, and then the police officer said, well, since you weren't naked or anything, we can't really charge you for a crime. So you just need to get your mom to come pick you up. And then my mom came and picked me up, and then I exited out of the office right here, and I started walking with my mom to leave. And everybody was cheering me on. They were like, "Dude, that was epic, dude. I love you." And I felt so embarrassed because I was crying because I was getting chewed out by the security officer. I mean, I got suspended from school for I think it was like 3 or 4 days. But yeah, dude, it was crazy, bro. The video of the incident was on my MySpace, and it was on YouTube. And the guy, the announcer, he was like, "Oh, well, here's somebody that's feeling good today." And then they show me start running out here and running around out there. It was fucking crazy. Oh man.